everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Stella. In today's video, I wanted to play around with rhinestones. I've never really used rhinestones in my looks before, and I actually only recently really purchased some. I just got this whole bunch off of Amazon. They do sets because it's actually stones that you use for nail art, and I just ordered one of them to use for makeup essentially. I'll leave the one I ordered linked down below. This video is going to focus on the eye makeup, but I will leave all the base products that I used also linked down below. And I want to apologize in advance because my hair in the video looks like a mop, even though it looks great now. And the reason is that I've just come back from the hairdressers, and yes, I'm filming the intro an hour after I finished the makeup look essentially. But yeah, if you would like to see how I created this eye look, then please keep watching. So the first thing I'm going to do today is prime my eye using the Fenty Pro Filter concealer. Okay, because the concealer is a really matte one, I'm not going to be setting it, and I'm going to go straight in with the P. Louise base in Hint of Mint. It's this kind of pastel green shade. I've never tried it, so I'm really excited. And the first thing I'm going to use is a super precise flat brush just to create our shape. I'm going to take some of the color on the back of my hand. Okay, now that I've created the shape, I'm just going to go ahead and fill all of that in and do the same thing on the other side. Okay, now that both greens are on, we need to set this. I was trying to find a color that matches this exactly, but I don't actually have one. So the closest I can get to it is this green shade, or I don't know, turquoise shade in the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. So I'm going to use that and just mix it with a little bit of a white shadow. And I'm just going to set all over the green that we applied. Okay, now that we've set the green base, I just want to deepen the crease slightly. And I'm going to use from the Morphe palette this dark green. This is the James Charles Morphe palette. I'm going to use the dark green down in the bottom. And that's how it's done for the eyeshadow pad for the top of the lid. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with a black liner, and I'm going to create a double wing. And for the bottom wing, I just really want to follow the line that we created for the green. It's okay if it's not super precise at the top because we're going to go over it with gems in a second anyway. Okay, so that's both eyeliners on, and now it's time for the exciting part, which is the gems. I'm going to go in with pearls today, and to start off, I'm just going to outline on the first eye all the places I want to place them. So I'm going to use some lash glue, and I'm just using the green one from Duo, and I'm just going to put points along the black liner line where I want to place the gems. Okay, and then using an eyeliner pencil, a pencil type, it makes it really easy to pick them up. So in this compartment, there's two sizes. There's smaller ones and bigger ones. I'm going to use the small ones for the majority of it, if I don't lose most of them. And then I think I might use a bigger one at the very tip of the thing. So yeah, using one of the pens, you can just, if you have your thing there, if you touch it to it, it'll lift it, and then it also allows you to really easily place it onto your eye, like so. Okay, that's both eyes on. For the bottom lash line, I'm actually going to use the blue pencil and just go in under the waterline and kind of smudge it out. And then yeah, just using a small smudger brush, I'm going to use this shade from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. Okay, and to complete this look, I'm just gonna go in with mascara now, and then the Tatti Lashes in TL9. And I'll be back with the final look. So this is the finished look. I've just applied my mascara, lashes, some highlighter, and I kept the lips pretty light because I'm actually about to go to the hairdresser, so I'm gonna be wearing a mask for about an hour. Finally getting this mop cleaned up. It's been over a year since I've had my hair cut, so yeah. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I might be back afterwards just to show you guys my hair. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I think it shows like a really easy and simple way to kind of do some creative makeup. It's not like a hard look to do, so it kind of looks more impressive than it maybe is. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you in the next one.